Mugasomi ya mwanchu murigeria bageteseni kia Ndizi TV engakiengia na indengo kwaregania asemesa ya Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere nyorari nerituko ria Ijumaa tariki 23 na isato omutenyino yokane omwaka w'ekiri Ibere na 23 na manga agendete gukoreka asense ya Kenya. Muraibwense Dr. William Ruto no mokonyo ye aburitangani mbatarire nsemo ye company ya Grains Bulk Facilities asensemo ya Embakasi Nairobi ase bacha kebene company yono bokoreri bagendera taroro na maga ya baikire ase county ya Kajiado ensemo ya Ongata Rongai asa gocha koigora gosaso gochigo cha kimuruburi bubwagachi bwechipara gete ase ensemeyo igobano mwanchu murigeria yonga tiari na kwareganirie ase nchira yo bwenge boigo ekina kyo mwana asagini nkegendrete ase litukulia lero maega yo korenda somotimoko bwechi wiki ibere bono abu ase abakagerwa bali abaneno mosubati Pacifica mosubati Rael amona Alex bawika bosyo bumona chibina sekigambira kenene gya Kisii Locots eliogochia kwetetea wosegocha kweirwanerera magega ekina getarana chwa korengana no mwakili otenete kinekyo George Morara nigaerese irebuna korengana ne katiba ni gobali bakwerwanerera gose defendants bagwenerete kwegerera bosyo bumona chibina nyuma wosemagega ekinekyo getarana chwa ayo onsi karagendere tumwanchu murigeria na intwento gendrete gutoka sensemo ya mitandao Ndizi TV News Digital abona nsemo ya Facebook na baigo Ndizi TV News ensemo ya YouTube na inde nabogo tweet @Ndizi TV News kwera nande bona segekega kekerbosyo egera nkumanye ayomana yanda mange asenchira yobwenge. Nchini wankoro kwa sara Nyarangi Ontita no lia tokubwatere na komo korwa asensemo yibimanyirio nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta tigato chakirengana eirobolito ase chinsemo au imense ya Kenya abwaso morandia Ezekiel Odero bona wichogotangwa ase kigambiro ase gekakya matuko 30 alibosyo bunenchira moyo korwali baga egero botuki bonyareko babogo ikiraniwa nyorani gabege tubyara litukuri igoro aso kubwatraniwa amono botutukano osam abantu gosiria amagima ase kanisa ya gotoka me county ya Kilifi ayabo igoni gachire maega yo mwaziri bobolendi bwaime Kithure Kindiki kurugo chika buno morandio yo abe kubyara amone kanisa ya New Life Church enyareko ba kego siekwa aliagendrete bono ne libuna ababwatani baye korwase county cha Mombasa mone chinsemo au asorongorwa coast nigo bagendrete korobekana na kubolia omorandio yo anyareko baga kubwato kwali molioka egera agendere ne mirimo yaye ya botambe. Muraibwense Dr. William Ruto mokonyo ya Rigathi Gachagua amo nabo bisaba nebe serikali mbaika sensemo ya Embakasi Nairobi ase company ya Grain Bulk Facilities asoko igora enseme yo ye chinyeke korengana na muraibwense nigatebire Kenya nigebwate amangana mange gendrete ko ligereria asate birubune serikali mberuete asogo chake na koigora emerobelio au eliera konye aba Kenya tigango tatagare nkwana ya Dr. Ruto.
I am very happy this morning to be here to commission a vital logistical installation which is of great importance to our economic efficiency and national competitiveness. The establishment of a specialized logistics facility goes a long way in enhancing the country's productivity and competitiveness by increasing cargo handling efficiency, thereby maximizing the capacity of the railway infrastructure to support stronger economic performance. Kenya is the gateway to East and Central Africa, and through our port of Mombasa, we are able to serve our own inland territory as well as neighboring countries by facilitating both inbound and outbound movement of goods and people. This way, our national transport system performs a vital economic role in supporting our region's exports and imports, as well as promoting regional integration.
Chinga kiecho serikali nigebwate umuruberio bene bukurigereria ng'ana Chinsa ya Kenya ere rusie asemechando yokuborwa kwindagira kubwatekana no gonchurira kwelire okugocha namabe amange gati abo murakera na boigo amang'ana yeto igo nigo boigo Dr. Gusii omokonyi bumuraibwense Rigathi Gachagua chinga kiecho nera rure nkwana ya ebene emeroberio elibagendrete kubeka bune serikali eliokoleta magenderero asense ya Kenya.
Maintain food security for our country. Your Excellency, it's a good morning because it's been raining the whole night, and this has brought a great relief to the people of Kenya. We are coming out of a very difficult situation because of the effects of climate change. And Your Excellency, in our efforts to make sure that no Kenyan die from hunger, as we mobilize food across the world to make interventions for the people of Kenya, I must report to you, sir, that Grain Bank Handlers has been an important partner in this journey. Only last month I was in Mombasa at the facilities of Grain Bank Handlers to receive wheat from Russia and sorghum from the United States to help in mitigating the effects of drought. I therefore want to say, Chairman and your team, we are grateful as a government for the role that you have played in assisting us to clear food very quickly for Kenyans who would otherwise have starved.
Na mangana maya kochia sabalemi bechinsu ase county ya Siaya. Balimi yabo betanetie chiribibere gose chiribibere na 500 nigobono bagucha konyoro gosirwa kwendagera ye Chinswe binenchere moyo komentarige sa liyo bolemi bwe Chinswe ase county ya Siaya eyuera nyorege koleta nibe nyinge ase ensemeyo nigo endagere yo gosomorobelo yo bwendagera ye Chinswe okoira chilingi chimilioni emerongo ebere na 53 nuguta 5 nemo una bakwene kyabo bisakurwa sa serikali ya county ya Siaya no mu governor James Orengo ndagere yo nige korosigwa ne company yemo ya Greek Lakes Feeds eyo egotoka ase county ya Siaya.
Agriculture is known as the Farm Input Grant and Subsidies Bill. This is the only bill that will enable us to have a policy that will give us a guideline towards making sure that all the subsidy activities that we do in Siaya will take its course without major impediments.
On this note, my government gives emphasis to production of raw materials that form ingredients for animal feed, including cotton, soya, cassava, sunflower, which are some of our strategic crops. And you've been told that these fish feeds are made here in Siaya.
Ekiombe kia Healthy Association of Kenya, it was a Christian Health Association of Kenya. Nigobono bacha kirie bene oroboti ruaboru mwaka bw'ekiribibere merongo ebere na inye oika umwaka bw'ekiribibere merongo ebere na 53 bunencheremo yokubeke merobulyo bene asugukinyo bochenu asechinyagitari au asense ya Kenya okwana boigo nigo bamochirie gekore kigendrete kwenekigwa asense mo ya Shakahola ase county ya Kilifi aseba mogikeirie bororo omorandia Makenzi oyogotebekana obwateranirie no boiti bwa Kenya wetania emia ya mabono.
Uliza serikali yetu kuu ikiendelea na kusanya hawa watu wakumbuke kwamba kuna ngano ambayo ni sahihi na kuna kwekwe. Kwa hivyo isiwe kwamba jambo hili shambulia wanadini na kanisa, lakini the individuals who are in this menace, wale ambao ni watu binafsi, labda ndio tungeuliza serikali, na tunajua sasa wameshikwa, wamewekwa mbaroni. Yetu ni kusema asante.
Thank you for that question. NHIF has been and will continue to be a very key financing organization for health. It has many years of existence, of growth, of improvement. We've collaborated with it for many years. For expanding access to quality services that people may need at various levels, including those highly specialized, you need to be insured. And one easily accessible and affordable insurance scheme is the National Hospital Insurance Fund. The government must be working on its own plan on how it will facilitate all Kenyans to be covered by this scheme. Certainly we want to encourage everyone and anyone who is able to afford to pay the premium. It's quite affordable. It comes to about 500 shillings a month or 6,000 shillings a year, and that covers you and your family. And you can access a range of services. The organization that we represent, the mission hospitals, all of them across the country, their services, when you have an NHIF card, you are able to get admitted to receive.
Ono mwancho maligereria kiombe kiogia Christian Healthy Association of Kenya nigo kia bwatu getebe no roboti ru mwaka 2024-2028 unabao chakobeke mirobelio yogo kinyo bokoreri ase chinyagitari na tari gochakia una nabeka buoli tangani kolende no kobwatuka oroboti ruabo osika motwe mwancho moligereria chinga kibona bakoli merimo bechi county au bagenderete kolera okonyorwa no gutakanwa kwengere yabo yakira umutienyi bono amangana nigara mangao ase county ya Wasinigisho chinga kibona bakoli merimo bonsi be serikali ye county eyo bakanirwe chibesa chiabo batali gocharuka nyeno mutienyi oyomo ayo nigaene kiwe no mo governor Jonathan B asate birubuna esiri yobokoreri ubya no gwakana bakoli mirimo bonsi be serikali nigaya kwa naya chingaki aikirana ase county eyo gose Chinsa mogete ase county eyo ocha kemerobelio au yogo konya gosira basae bali batabwatie mirimo ase county eyo.
Ningependa sana kupatia vijana wetu skills wao pia kando na talents yenye wako nao wakuwe na skills, kwa sababu hapa Kenya bila kukua na taaluma mbali itakuwa ngumu kuishi. Pili, Wasinigisho tumesema we are a senior county and also a royal county, kwamba ukiona hawa wanapo kwenda kwa hii training ni kwa sababu tulikuwa tushaweka budget kitambo. This has been budgeted before and therefore tulikuwa tushajipanga. Ya pili, mmeona vile tunapanga wafanyakazi wetu hapa, tushalipa mshahara. Sababu ni kwamba sisi tulikuwa tushaweka mbele mambo ya mshahara is very important, kwamba tukilipa wafanyakazi wetu tutaona kazi mzuri and you will see products ya hiyo kazi. Kwa hivyo tunajua we are struggling as counties, especially the devolution in itself. But Wasinigisho County, we have planned ourselves very well. Mpaka sasa juzi tukapewa disbursement.
Mwancho maligereria nara yo sebono asenchera yo bwenge no yo mintobo igongo chaligo chaigase mesa ya Amayia Chinsa 10 Evelino 0 akomanya yo naende amona na yanda mange igobano to baise gosuke kyagera mesa mangana Amayia nigara mange kigima ekero Chinsa cho chigo chawika Wakangambia mono asibali mwensi mwatobwatiri wetera ase mitandao yaito ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital na boigo Ndizi TV News asensemo ya YouTube olia atobwateranire komo kurua sensemo yebimanyererio nigakuru kwa Joshua Auta na uliane kia chibicha eliogi amonensemo ya mitandao watanyorera senchira yoboikirano nigakuru kwa Abigail Nyanchama na inchi nako yaletera senchira yobwenge nigonkuru kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita.